Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could easily download any version or distribution of Linux. To begin, open your browser and type linux.org and hit enter. As a next step, the website will try to verify that you are a human by validating your browser. You will need to wait just a few seconds. Click verify you are a human and wait again. At this stage, click on download Linux. Scroll down and try to locate the edition or the distribution of Linux that you would like to download. There are several and you can choose any that you like. For me personally, I would like to get Ubuntu, so I will try to find it and it's here. I will click on it. It's the same process of download. Here we can choose Ubuntu desktop and click on it to start downloading. At this stage, it shows several editions, 24, 25. So I will choose one before 24 because it's more stable, I will say. The latest one is always recommended, but you can download actually any, it should be fine. So if you have Intel or AMD processors, you can download this one. And if you have ARM processors, then you can download this one. Since I have an ARM processor, so I will go with this one and click download. The download will begin and you will need to wait a few seconds up to a few minutes based on how fast is your internet before the download is completed. Once done, you'll be able to use this distribution for either installing it or creating a virtual machine or even burning it on a USB flash drive. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.